Hi, my name is Nishant, and in today's class, I'll teach you how to develop an Android app. The task is here is to develop an website and to convert that website into an app using Android Visual Studio. Um, First, for that, I created an blank template in the new project, and under my application name I created a new Java class, and I named it as my app web view client. And here I write this following code. So I imported these packages, and I inserted my URL of the website here. Then under activity underscore main dot xml, this comes uh, already made. This already the code or entire code is already written, and um, I just made a change here. As you can see, this one is change. So what I am doing here is, uh, apart from creating only website, uh, I developed a flash screen such that it will it will be viewed before the app turns into a website. So I will show you. And also the I added like the logo for my app. um, the whole logo and splash screen will be decided in this code. And I explain about Android manifest now. This Android manifest file um, is a file which explains about the application to the Android machine. Um, this package name right here, this is the unique identifier for the Android machine. With this package name, it identifies what application it is, and it executes the application. Whereas when we consider activity main, this is the whole main activity of the template. We can say like we have to choose some blank template or login template or some other while creating a new project. That one comes under here, this uh, activity main.xml file. So now under main activity dot java, I edited the following code and made some changes. And here also the mwebview.load URL, I pasted my website URL. And mwebview.set webview client, my application web client on page finished view URL. This will hide loading image, uh, find view by id or dot id splash loading, set visibility view gone. And this will show what is there in web view. Find view by id, and this code. So I left the below code as it is. um, for splash screen and your app logo, we have to add our images, right? So what we have to do is go to see users, your name, and there will be Android Studio projects. Go to your project, then go to app, src source, main, res. Here you can find mipmap 4 files. So what I did was, there will be an Android robot logo already here. So use with the same name, IC underscore launcher. So we should remove that green robot logo and place your own image which you want for your application logo, but keep the image name same. And also I added an image uh, which is in JPEG format, and this is in PNG image. This one is used for splash screen and this one is used for logo. Uh, then you can see this extra 3 files with the same common name, uh, that is MDPI, XHDPI, XSHDPI. I made all the changes for my logo, which is I removed Android robot logo and I replaced my image, but the name remains same. Yeah. Now let's see starting an Android visual device. But apart before that, I I did a generated signed APK, which is this thing is usually done by others, so that you got your app copyrighted. So I already created an username and password for this, so it's asking my password. Yeah, I already entered these details before. Okay, next. This asks for an build type, whether to sign this file in a debug mode or release mode. Anything is fine, but release mode we have to write your own file, so that it is a complicated process, whereas in debug it's a general process anyway. But if you want to release your app in your Play Store, you have to select release. So I am clicking finish. So here it's executing task, and great build is running. Oops, there is some errors. It is showing some errors. Hmm. Okay, anyhow, I am minimizing it and I am running my app. Start AVD. Okay, emulator has started. Um, oh, here it's my app, but uh, due to some errors, the logo hasn't been changed. Maybe that's because of generated signed APK. Okay, application. Okay, the flash screen is also didn't loaded, so it directly uh, take me to the website, and here is the website I created. So I made it bootstrapped, so the icons are indexed in a button. Oops.